Hello everyone, how are you? Fine, right? In this video, we are going to discuss about energy transformation and energy conservation. In our previous video also, we have discussed some of the energy transformation. Here also, we are going to discuss some more very important energy transformation which happens around us. We'll discuss about energy conservation also. Do you know what is energy conservation? Energy conservation is a process in which we conserve energy. We do not allow to waste energy. And you know there is a law also. That law is called law of conservation of energy. As per that law, energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, only it changes its form, one form to another. For example, when we use mixer, mixer, grinder, it grinds, it mix. But along with that, there will be lots of sound. Then there will be heat also. So what are the energy transformation happening over there? Actually, electrical energy gets converted into mechanical energy for the movement of machine. Along with that, there will be some waste energy. Waste energy in the form of sound and heat. So here also energy is same. The total energy supplied by the electricity will be equal to the total energy used by the grinder. But it has used in three forms. One form was useful for us, that was the grinding process, movement, and the other two was not useful for us, that was as a waste energy. So now I will tell you there are two types of energy used. One is how we use actually, what is used for our purpose, and then some is called waste energy. In every process, some of the energy will be used for that particular process and some energy get waste in the system. Suppose when you are running, your body used your chemical energy to convert into kinetic energy. But along with that, when you sweat means you are releasing heat. So heat is a waste energy over there. Total input energy is your body chemical energy, and total output energy is kinetic plus heat. When we add all together, input will be equal to output. That is always happen. So that is called law of conservation of energy. Total energy supply will be equal to total energy used up. Used up sometimes in the form of useful process, sometimes in the form of waste. So I'll repeat once more. Energy conservation means how we can save energy, and law of conservation of energy means energy can neither be created nor be destroyed, only it changes one form to another. Right now you can see the bulb over here. Here what happened? Electrical energy gets converted into light energy. Then there will be some waste energy as a form of heat also. So again, total energy supply will be equal to total energy used up. Now we will see some of the most important energy transformation, and afterwards we will see a presentation on energy conservation, law of energy conservation. Let's see that. Here we are going to observe some of the common energy transformations. In this tea making process, chemical energy of the fuel gets converted into thermal energy, and that thermal energy is getting stored in this system. And when this thermal energy will transfer in the medium from high temperature to low temperature, then it is called heat. So basically, heat is a flow of thermal energy from high temperature to low temperature. You can see in this cup also, steam from the cup is moving outside. It means temperature at the cup is high, whereas temperature outside is low. In television, electrical energy gets converted into light, sound, and sometimes heat energy also. Alexa, play Dynamite. In this music system, Electrical
Dynamite by
energy gets
BTS from
converted into
Spotify.
sound energy. It works on command, but in general music system also, electrical energy converted into sound energy. In this tube light, electrical energy converted into light energy. In this burning fuel, chemical energy of the fuel gets converted into heat and light energy. Here we are going to learn about energy conservation. Energy conservation is the decision and practice of using less energy, turning off the light when you leave the room, unplugging appliances when they are not in use, and walking instead of driving are all examples of energy conservations. Some energy conservation practices at home. We can avoid leakage when we are using air conditioner. We can avoid opening fridge door very frequently. When we avoid opening fridge door, we can save 1 by 4th of energy, 1 by 4th of misuse of energy. Then when we are not watching TV, we can off it. So these are the simple things we can use at home. Next is law of conservation of energy. As per this law, energy can neither be created nor destroyed, only converted from one form of energy to another. So, energy we are not able to make it and we are not going to destroy it, only it changes its form. Pendulum is the suitable example for energy conservation. In pendulum, energy gets interchanged between kinetic and potential energy. When pendulum is at rest and when it is at mean position, then it has kinetic energy, and when pendulum reaches to extreme position, it has gravitational potential energy. So during the movement of pendulum, these two energy gets interchanged. Roller coaster is also a suitable example of energy conservation. Here also there will be interchange in between kinetic energy and gravitational potential energy. After watching this video, you should be able to answer these questions. First, what is energy transformation? Second, what is the energy transformation in a wristwatch? Third, what is law of conservation of energy? Fourth, what is the useful energy and what is the waste energy when we use a television? I hope you will be able to answer these questions. Thank you.